Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me and my brother are going to show you how to make an egg wrap. Is that right?
Yes, I guess.
That's right, Slater. Alright, so first what you want to do, you want to get some oil. I use olive oil, but you can use any oil that you want. Then you turn the stove up to medium. Put a little bit of oil there. Yeah. Alright. And the ingredients that you want 1 egg, garlic salt, I don't care what salt you want. Also wraps and cheese. So first you also need this. And then crack the egg.
Over the chicken.
And then you throw it in the garbage.
Chicken.
And then you wash your hands. And then you just wait until the egg cooks. So what we're gonna do while it cooks, we're going to be dancing. Alright, let's do this.
You go dance.
I think the egg is ready. So after the egg looks kind of like this, just like it's good. Once to start, put your seasonings. So I use garlic salt, and also black pepper. This one is good. And then you just like move your egg around. You move around a lot. You just keep moving it until it looks like it's ready. Should be all in pieces. Okay, it's almost ready. I think it is ready. So what you want to do when your egg looks ready, you want to I would say the size like this. want to put the egg onto the plate. Then what you want to do is you want to take one of these one of these wraps, and then put them on the same stick, and then put the egg onto the wrap. And put the plate back, and you just want the egg to be in the middle, just like that. I don't think you really can see it. You just want to put it in the middle. And then you grab your cheese. I use cheddar cheese. And then you just spread it onto that egg. You're gonna need like a lot. Enough to make it. That should be enough. Yeah, that should be enough. And then if you want to add a little bit more salt.
Disgusting!
Hey, shut up, okay?
That really looks disgusting.
No.
Too much cheese!
Okay, so then you want to turn the wrap just like that. You want it like a half circle. And then you just want it to cook for a little bit. And while it's cooking for a little bit, we are going to put back the ingredients. Go. Cheese.
Dude, I have a question. That stinks. I think you have rotten
That's not a
cheese
question.
in it. That has rotten cheese in it. Jesus Christ. You rotten.
Shut up, man.
Maybe you should.
Maybe you should, because you just started talking.
That looks like poop and smells like poop.
You eat that. You
No,
always
I
ask
don't.
me, you always ask, can you make me an egg wrap? And then, yeah, sure. And then you come out of nowhere saying, this is poop.
Yeah, why it looks like poop.
Does poop look like white? Does poop look like a half circle that's white?
Yeah.
So then when you flip it around like 2 times, wait, give me a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So it's just have to a little bit. Okay, I would say it's ready now. Alright. Put it on the plate. Turn the stove off. And then you put all your ingredients back. I don't need that anymore. Put your egg back. Open up the fridge. Go. And now we put back our seasonings. Okay. And your egg wraps should look like this, something like this. Half circle, melted cheese, and egg. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to subscribe and hey! Give me back my egg wrap.
No, it's mine.
Subscribe and like. Like and subscribe. Bye guys. See you later.